Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to see regarding the hard gelatin capsule. Okay, myself, Dr. Sachin Patil, Professor KLE College of Pharmacy, Belgaum. So capsules are nothing but it will come under the solid dosage form like tablets. We have seen tablets. So likewise, capsule is also a solid dosage form. But capsule name itself indicating that capsules are the dosage forms, more versatile dosage form of all the dosage forms or solid dosage form in which one or more medical or medicaments and inert materials or inert ingredients are enclosed in a small shell or a container usually made up of gelatin. So capsules are nothing but a shell in which we are going to fill our medicaments. Medicaments may be one or more, or with that, how we prepare tablet medicaments plus our diluents. Then we come to granulating agents or binders, disintegrating agents. So these are the ingredients added in the or mixed in the with the medicaments, and then these granules, prepared granules, are filled in the capsules. So this filled in the capsules means a shell. So this is made up of gelatin. So there are two types of capsule. One is hard gelatin capsule and soft gelatin capsule. You were aware of that in the generally whenever we see the capsules are of two types. One is hard and soft. So each has its own advantage, that is hard and soft. Hard gelatin, we can see that there are different sizes of hard gelatin capsules, and only the dry granules are filled or dry powders are filled in the hard gelatin capsules. In soft gelatin capsules, we have only semi-solids and liquids are filled in the soft gelatin capsules. We don't fill the liquids or semi-solids in hard gelatin capsules. So hard gelatin capsules are of two pieces. They are made up of two pieces. Not pieces means they are two parts actually, and it consists of two parts. One is called as cap, which is very short in high length, but the inner diameter of the cap is very much a little bit larger, so that it can be fitted on the body. Second part is body, and it is length of the body is more and the diameter of the body is less. So the cap is fitted on the body. Okay, for there is some interlocking arrangement, and then we can get a one whole capsule which is filled with the granules and powders. Okay, so soft gelatin, it is only one piece, means the filling and sealing of the liquid or semi-solid is done in a one machine or in a one process, so that there is no way leakage or no damage to the or there is no any wastage of our liquid and semi-solid preparation. So hard gelatin capsule are two type hard capsules are of two types, hard and soft. Hard are of two parts, body and cap, and soft is little bit physical property of the gelatin is also varied from the hard gelatin capsule. The name itself indicating that hard gelatin capsule shell is little bit hard, and soft gelatin capsule is soft in nature. So the property such as viscosity and some other ingredients which are moisture content, they are varying from each other. Okay, so what are the advantages of capsule? Capsule masks the taste and odor of unpleasant drug, or you can say also ingredient. If any of the ingredients which is bitter in taste or which is unpleasant odor, so we can mask. Likewise, in tablet we do coating. Understood? So capsule is nothing but gelatin shell is there, so that there is no question of adding any masking the taste of the granules. We can directly feel in the capsule, so we can mask the taste and odor of our drug and some ingredients. They are attractive in appearance. We can see capsules are of different colors. Body and capsule may be of same color, or body and cap are of different colors. Colors are added not only to for elegance purpose or attractive purpose, but also for identification of our drugs, identification of strength of the capsule. So they are very slippery when moist and hence easy to swallow, and uh, it will be very patient compliance. As compared to tablets, less adjuvants are required because already whatever the ingredients are there, we are going to fill in the capsule. So there is nothing extra because all in tablet, all our ingredients and medicaments are exposed. So we have to take care of all our environmental factors and also the taste factors in tablets sometimes, but here we have only to prepare granules. Even though it is bitter or even though it is unpleasant odor, we have to just fill it in the shell. The shells are physiologically inert, so they don't have any pharmacologically activity or nothing like that. They directly dissolves in the gastrointestinal tract and they are digested. They are economical and they are easy to handle and carry, as tablets are also very easy to handle and carry because they are solid and packing is very easy. Cells can be ossified, that is with titanium oxide, or colored, as already I told you, attractive. So colors are added to identify or elegance purpose. Sometimes body and cap are of different colors to give the protection from light also. So photosensitive drugs or photosensitive over different medicaments, so we can protect our drug from the external environment through this shell. Even though the capsules have a number of advantages, we have two or three disadvantages. Drugs which are hygroscopic, that absorb moisture from the moisture, they cannot be used in preparation of capsule because they absorb moisture from the capsule shell and it becomes bitter, and hence it is not suitable to fill or to make a capsule dosage form with this type of drugs. Secondly, the concentrated solution which requires previously dilutions are unstable for capsule because if administered such lead to irritation in the stomach because the shell dissolves and the whole concentrated solution is exposed and may cause irritation. So I told you the capsule preparation major part is the gelatin. So what is this gelatin? Gelatin is the heterogeneous product derived from hydrolytic extraction of animal collagen. There are from animal bones, in portion or frozen skin. So while during the preparation, gelatins we can prepare in two types, type A and type B. Type A is nothing but acid treated and type B is alkaline treated. Okay, so only you keep in mind that they are acid treated precursor and they are alkaline treated, type B. And the type A is also manufactured from the pork skin, and type B is used for prepared from the animal bones and uh, our animal hind portion or pro skin. So the source of the type A and type B are also different. So how gelatin is prepared on commercial scale? Gelatin is made from the byproducts of meat, leather industry, mainly pork skin, pork and cattle bones and in portion of the cattles. So the raw material are prepared from different different curing acid and alkaline process which are employed to extract the dried collagen hydrolyze, and the entire process is takes about several weeks. So detailed flow charts is given here to understand the steps involved in the process for manufacture or production of gelatin. So if you see the skin, the chopping is there, washing, acid treatment, okay. And if you take the bones, you have to crush it, acid treated, lime treated to make it proper pH, washing and acid treated. Then hot water extraction because gelatin dissolves in that hot water. Filtration, ion exchange DNA because excess ions present in the has to be removed. Because iron content or different ion content will lead to interaction with our drug or which our ingredients, so it may cause to compatibility problems. So we have to do the deionization of this gelatin. So yeah, filtration, final concentration, sterilization is required because they are made up of this, you see the precursor. So the very much important that sterilization should be carried out. Otherwise, we have to add preservatives after gelatin manufacture. Then some opassifying agents are added and antimicrobials are added so that we microorganisms should not grow on our gelatin. Okay, so filtration, chilling to set point, extrusion, drying, and milling, and blend to packing. So these are different steps. Once the gelatin is manufactured or prepared, there are different ingredients are also added in the gelatin to take so that this gelatin is ready for preparation of capsules. Gelatin is already prepared. Then important ingredient in the gelatin is added is antimicrobials for to maintain the sterility, otherwise growth of microorganisms, bacteria and fungi, which leads to damage in gelatin. So we cannot go for preparation of the empty capsule shell. Some opacifying agents are also added in the manufacturing of this is the gelatin prepared to manufacturing of the hard gelatin or soft gelatin capsules. So then water content is also measured. Then we have to also see that gelatin viscosity is maintained properly. So viscosity, so to maintain this viscosity, we have to add some viscosity agents, viscosity imparting agents, so that to maintain the proper viscosity. An important thing, if you want your capsules should be colored, so that their different colors are added. If you whole cap and body you are going to prepare same color, then there is no problem. Or you have to divide your gelatin for preparation of manufacturing of hard gelatin capsule for different colors. Body and cap is different, so different colors are added. The storage of or the tray which is there in gelatin, different colors are added, and this different colored gelatin is used to manufacturing of the empty capsule shells. So how to prepare the empty capsule shells? There are different steps now. Once gelatin is ready, it is prepared by these 6 different steps: dipping, spinning, drying, stripping, trimming, joining, and polishing. So it is carried out in the machineries where gelatin is kept in the trays with proper temperature and proper viscosity. Temperature is maintained to maintain the proper viscosity, and this gelatin which is there is kept in a stainless steel tray, and the plate which contains the pins which are made up of also stainless steel, around 500 pins are there. So these 500 pins are lowered in the tray which contains gelatin. So now here we have to understand that dipping is nothing but the pins which contains the inner diameter of our body and cap. Okay, so which size you want the empty capsule shell, that size of the pins plate is ready, prepared, and that pin plate is dipped in the gelatin tray. So you will get that proper size and shape. So dipping is done, which is then after dipping, time is maintained, and viscosity will help to prepare the size of the gelatin. So after removing the pins, the gelatin is dry by blowing the air, which is with the proper controlled temperature and relative humidity. Then this, after drying, the body or cap, whatever is there, is removed, stripped from this pin, and then trimming is done. Trimming means whatever excess gelatin is adhered or excess length is there, that we are going to strip it off, and trimming is done, okay, with the knife or with the proper tool, so that we can get the proper length of the body or cap and proper shape. After trimming, the joining is done, means body and cap are joined and placed in a container. So this is the general step, how to prepare the different sizes, how to prepare the capsules. Same process is used to maintain, to prepare or manufacture the different sizes of capsules. Generally there are 000 to 5. 000 is largest capsule, and 5 is smallest capsule. Accordingly, the volume and the weight of the powder or material is filled. So you can see here 000 to 5, 5 is smallest and 000 is largest. If you see in the volume, 1.37 ml is filled, or the size you can see the bigger in size, and 5 only 0.15 ml is filled, or the capacity is there. So it depends upon the dose and the prepared fill material, how much you are going to fill, you are going to select the capsule. Storage of the capsule is also a very critical part.